Once you've added a course to your Dojo360 space, you can add individual classes to that course. Classes contain a deck which is made up of presentation slides, question slides, and rich media like videos, images, and audio. Begin by opening your course. Then select the Classes tab. The Classes tab is where all of your classes will be listed for this course. To create a new class, select the New Class button. This will open the New Class window where you can provide your class with a name. Next, you can enter a session start date by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date. To select a specific time of day, click on the clock icon beneath the calendar. Once the date and time are set, clicking outside the calendar window will minimize the window and display the start date and time. Perform these exact same steps for the session end. You can also choose to leave the session start and session end fields blank and add this information at a later time. When you are ready, click Add to create your new class. This will take you back to the Classes tab with your new class added. From here, you can edit the class name and adjust the start and end dates. Present Results is enabled by default and will display the results for each slide automatically to your learners during the class. You can always disable this on a per-slide basis when presenting. Enforce Roster is disabled by default, and when enabled, will block other learners not on your roster from attending the class as a guest. If you purchase the Virtual Classroom add-on, you can enable it in the class record. The Virtual Classroom provides you with a collaborative space where you can replicate face-to-face activities while online by using screen sharing, webcams, shared whiteboards, chat, and breakout rooms. Add content to your class by clicking on Add or Create a Deck. The deck contains your presentations, interactive questions, videos, images, text, and audio files. In the Add Deck window, you can select from decks that you previously created in the Asset Manager. To create a new deck, click on the Create New tab. You can then name your deck and click Create to begin adding content. For a new deck, clicking Create will open the new deck in the deck editor. By default, a presentation slide is added as the first slide in your deck. A presentation slide is an instructional slide in your deck that is unscored and can contain any rich media as well as a PowerPoint. Each presentation slide contains an asset field and a text field. In the asset field, you can add a single image, video, audio file, or PowerPoint file. When adding an asset, you can add content from the Assets Manager, upload content, copy and paste a public URL, or choose from our royalty-free stock images. For the purposes of this video, we will upload a PowerPoint deck. Select the Upload/URL tab. From here, you can drag and drop the PowerPoint file or browse and select files. Next, select the Add button. Load times will vary depending on the size of the file. Each slide of your uploaded PowerPoint will be converted to an individual presentation slide in your deck with the converted slides placed in the asset field. You can add additional text and media in the text field. Highlight the text to see formatting options or use the quick insert button to add media on any blank line. To change the layout of the presentation slide, click on the column drop-down menu and choose from single column, two column text/assets, or two column asset/text. To preview your deck, click on the Preview tab. To continue adding and editing slides, click the Edit tab.